In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change your domain name on GitHub. So first, open up GitHub, click on your profile icon in the top right and go to repositories. From here, you want to find the website or app which you want to change the domain name for. Click on it to open it up, and then here we have to select settings. Once you click on settings, then from the left hand side we will just choose pages, and you will need to have a pages subscription. If you have a pages subscription, then you will see a custom domain section here for GitHub, and then you will need to go into your DNS provider, click on domains. I'm gonna use Hostinger for this tutorial, and just click on manage. Once you click on manage, for your specific domain which you want to use, you will go into DNS/name servers, and you will have to add the DNS and name servers here to GitHub pages. And once you sync both of those, then you will have changed your domain name on GitHub. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.